I freshened up myself. I didn't take exercise in the morning. I took my breakfast at 8:30 a.m. I ate vegetable and bread with my breakfast. After that, I got ready for Cyprus. I went to Cyprus at 9 a.m. I went to Cyprus with my mother by rickshaw. I stayed here for 1.5 hours and I returned home at 12 p.m. After returning home, I took a shower and after that I took my lunch at 1 p.m. In the afternoon, I played for 1 hour. In the evening, I stayed for study for 2 hours.